Spanish Town, Oasis. We are following you, our customers, anywhere you are. And just like we are following you, we want you to follow us back. Alright? So I'm here today to meet with a nice young lady from Kitson Town. But she come in shopping and decided that, hey, she wants us to meet her on the plaza. So we're here. Sun hot, but waiting patiently. And here you are. How are you today?
I'm doing good.
I hope I did. I hope you didn't, broke your neck to reach here.
Well, no, not really. It was a time in Jamaica, so no.
I'll try to look on it. She can't stop looking on the package, So tell me, shopping today?
Yes.
Something special going for the holiday coming?
Not really at this moment, but just necessarily home shopping.
Home shopping. Someone can come for dinner. Which one of the day?
Anytime you want.
Anytime I want to, I can swing by for dinner. No, that is the kind of love we're talking about. We love her, she loves us. So what's for dinner? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow,
Yeah.
rice and peas. I don't know what the meat
You don't know which meat yet?
But no, it's rice and
Sure, it's rice and peas. What kind of rice? Gungo or red and
red rice.
red rice? Yeah, red rice. I prefer red rice still. I don't know. What do you prefer? Gungo or red rice?
Gungo?
Gungo.
I don't like gungo. So
Yeah, you can par. You don't like gungo. Been referring your friends and family?
Well, I don't have much friends that do online shopping.
Yeah.
Like they would allow me to do it for them.
Mhm.
So normally they would ask me to purchase something and I would ship it for them. So I would normally do that.
Oh, so you're the agent.
Yes.
So that work as well. You can be the agent. You can be like a mini business in the business. You do all the shopping for your friends and family, bring it in for them, they return the cash. Remember, make sure them give you the cash first, right? Yes, you have to make sure them give you the cash first. Anyway, I'm not going to keep you because I know you're busy, so you're in a little bit of a rush. Thanks for doing business with us and, look for your continued support. All right, have a good one. All right, good. All right, there you have it on the delivery trail. She is happy that we are the ones serving her, and we're happy that she's a part of the family. Thanks much. Take care, yeah?